Okay, so in the sequence, next we have Juvy and Rollo as the next presenter. The title of presentation is Sustainability of Biogas Production in Laguna.
Good day, everyone. Please allow me to present my paper on sustainability of biogas production in Laguna, Philippines. Let me first introduce the authors. I am Juvy Rollo from San Pablo Colleges. I took up BS Statistics in the University of the Philippines, Las Bañas, Laguna, and I recently graduated MBA from San Pablo Colleges last July 2021, and I am currently affiliated with Bureau of Internal Revenue. My co-author in this paper is Dr. Adori Ramos. She is currently the Head Department of Business Management in ACTS Computer College and a DBA faculty member of San Pablo Colleges. I know biogas is already known to many of us, but to define, biogas is a renewable fuel produced by anaerobic organic matter such as food scraps and animal waste. These pictures are sample of biogas digesters or biogas plant from my respondents. Okay, so Laguna, Philippines is the area of my research paper. It is a province in southeast of Manila with a vast land of 62,555 hectares of farm area. Biogas production may help address the problem of agricultural waste pollution. The purposes of the study is itemized as below. First is to determine the strengths, weaknesses, as well as the opportunities and threats associated with biogas production. Second is to assess the sustainability of biogas production in terms of environmental, social, and economic aspects. Third is to obtain the obstacles encountered in the production of biogas. As for the research methodology, descriptive type of research with 10 biogas operators as respondents in the province of Laguna, using snowball sampling technique. It adopted modified survey questionnaire from the work of Monica Paulita Posmic with the title Biogas Production from the Perspective of Sustainable Development. The modified questionnaire has 43 items and was answered using 4-point Likert scale. It is divided into 3 parts: the SWOT analysis, assessment of sustainability, and obstacles encountered. As for the results of SWOT analysis, the following indicators were the highlights of each category. The indicators: local accessibility of waste derived from various sources, and the free of charge to waste produced by businesses and farms were interpreted as highly considerable strength. The indicator demand for considerable capital for investment was interpreted as highly considerable weakness. The indicators for opportunities are protection of environment and climate, and the decrease of amount of landfill waste. The main threat is the high cost of investment. The assessment of sustainability of biogas production showed the following indicators for social, environmental, and economic aspect. For social aspect, the local utilization of produced energy. For the environmental aspect is the limitation of the landfill waste resulting from its application in biogas technologies, and cheap substrate for economic aspect. The main problem encountered in biogas production is the demand for considerable capital, high cost of installation of biogas plant. One may ask, how much does it cost to install a biogas plant? From the respondents, the amount ranges from 100,000 pesos to 250,000 pesos, or about 2,000 to 5,000 US dollars. The main and costly materials used were cement and steel bars. However, if we search for other options, there are biogas digesters that use inexpensive materials, although the safety and quality is not assured. As for the conclusion and recommendation, the SWOT analysis demonstrated that the process of biogas production has a number of strengths and opportunities, outweighing its weaknesses and threats. The study also found that biogas production is highly sustainable and economic aspects. Despite its environmental and socio-economic benefits, there are certain obstacles investment. In order for the biogas industry to succeed, cost reduction and financial support are necessary in order to improve affordability. To make biogas more accessible to a larger portion of the population, financing must be a main focus in the future of biogas. Alternative methods of financing which may aid in this goal, like government and NGO subsidies. The role of microfinance may also play in the growth of biogas technology. Efforts must be made in reducing plant costs. Efforts may be made in reducing plant costs while improving financing options. If other less expensive materials can be used in its place, the price of building a biogas plant could be greatly decreased. Pioneer operators of biogas may report their experiences and which could be an integral part in planning and adapting for the future in biogas of Laguna. Education, awareness, and training programs may be initiated regarding biogas and its potential must be stressed so that farmers with the necessary livestock are aware of this opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Rollo. Very nicely presented.